The United States remains the hardest hit country in the world by the virus, and the Omicron variant has already started to overwhelm some hospitals in the United States. The surge in cases has cast a show over New Year celebrations in the country. Our next report gets you all the details.
New Year's Eve might look a lot like last year, with COVID-19 stifling celebrations around the world. Global coronavirus infections hit a record high over the past 7-day period, according to Reuters data, with almost 1 million cases detected on average each day between December 23rd and 29th. In an attempt to slow the rapid spread of the Omicron variant, traditional concerts and fireworks displays that typically draw thousands of people were canceled in most major cities, including London, Paris, and Rome. For the second year in a row, New Year's Eve in New York's Times Square, an event that usually attracts some 60,000 people, will be a scaled-back event for 15,000 people. Although studies have suggested Omicron is less deadly than some previous variants, many health officials are urging caution, especially among the unvaccinated. In Paris, local authorities mandated mask wearing on the streets starting Friday, and residents were divided over the necessity of doing so.
Do we have a choice? We are not given a choice. Personally, I don't like wearing the mask, but I don't know many people who do, frankly.
In the U.S., health experts warned Americans that a rising tide of COVID cases threatens major disruptions to their lives, from schools to shopping, and urged them to prepare now for a challenging month ahead. Long lines for testing has become commonplace in many major U.S. cities, like at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway this week. For the second day in a row, the U.S. had a record number of new cases based on the 7-day average, a Reuters tally showed, and COVID-19 hospitalizations rose 27%, driven by Americans not yet vaccinated. Some 820,000 people have died in the U.S. from COVID since early 2020.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.